Okay, class, pencils out. It's time for our lesson. Oh my god, I forgot my pencil. Hey, Jalissa,
Huh?
could I just borrow a pencil for today?
Oh my god, why are you talking to me?
Because I need a pencil. Like, I'm pretty sure I said that already.
Simon, do you have a crush on me?
No! I just want a pencil!
Look, Simon, I know I'm pretty to look at.
No, you're not.
But you're really not my type.
I don't care about that. I just want a pencil.
I can't help it if all the boys like me.
Nobody likes you. You're clapped. Simon and Jalissa, if you guys don't stop, I'm sending you to the principal. I'm not gonna stop until she learns. Simon and Jalissa, why are you guys in my office? Jalissa won't let me borrow a pencil because she thinks I have a crush on her. Okay, I'm just gonna talk to Jalissa real quick. No, don't! Jalissa, is it true that
Oh my god, principal, do you have a crush on me?
I have a wife?
Hasn't stopped me before.
911, I'm being harassed.